Hello, I'm Dr. Sumitra, MD pediatrician, certified lactation expert and certified baby sleep expert. So in this video, we will discuss about red flag sign in the breastfeeding because that is a very important topic. Every mother should know that what are the red flag sign and when should they connect with a lactation expert or a gynecologist to resolve the issue earlier as soon as possible, because if we ignore the issue then that might worsen and that might cause more issues along with the issue you have right now. So what are the red flag signs? So first very common red flag sign which mothers usually ignore, that is the urine output for the baby. This means that the baby is having inadequate breast milk supply. The baby is not getting enough milk. So if the urine output is less than 6 times in 24 hours, that means the baby is not getting enough. Second and the important red flag sign is the baby is not gaining weight, because that is the very important thing for the baby. And if the baby is not getting sufficient milk, then the baby will not gain age appropriately weight. So if the baby is not gaining weight, which means either baby is not able to transfer the milk, or the baby is having only the milk, or maybe you are having low breast milk supply. In that case, you should immediately consult a lactation expert. Third red flag sign is the baby is feeding for longer duration, like baby is feeding continuously for 1 hour, and even after that also baby is not sleeping, baby is not relaxed, you feel that baby is still hungry and you have to top up with the formula. So this is another red flag sign or indicating that you might be having low breast milk supply, or maybe the latch is not proper, due to that the baby is not able to suck properly or transfer the milk properly. Fourth red flag sign is that you are having mastitis, that is the initial stage of breast infection. So if you are having tender breast, if you are having pain in the breast, then you should immediately consult a gynecologist or lactation expert who will help you. Fifth red flag sign is the breast engorgement, means the breast is enlarged, breast is engorged, you are having tender breast, you are having pain in the breast. So this is the initial stage of engorgement. If you don't treat engorgement, then it will convert into mastitis and further might lead to the breast abscess. So if you are having engorgement, clogged duct, which means the baby is not able to suck the milk properly, the breast is not empty properly, or maybe you are overproducing, that is why you are having breast engorgement. So if you are having breast engorgement, immediately contact to a lactation expert so that the lactation expert can help you to move the extra milk or to help you latch baby properly, so that the baby can transfer milk properly and you can empty the breast milk so that you don't have engorgement and clogged milk duct. Okay. Sixth red flag sign is the baby is not latching properly. So if the baby is not latching properly, there might be a problem in the position, there might be a problem in the latching, there might be a problem in the oral structure of the baby. So through factors, mother factor and baby factor. So if your baby is not latching properly, then you should immediately contact to the lactation expert so that you can latch the baby properly. You don't have to give formula or bottle, and you can feed your baby directly from the breast milk. So this is another red flag sign. You should immediately contact to the lactation expert. Seven red flag sign is the baby refuse to breastfeed directly. That might be due to multiple reasons. Maybe you have introduced the bottle, now the baby is having nipple confusion, flow confusion, that is why baby is not latching, but that is the red flag sign. This means you have to connect a lactation expert to resolve this, why baby is not feeding directly on your breast milk. Eighth red flag sign is that you are having a preterm baby or IGR baby. That means the baby might have difficulty in the latching, might have difficulty in the breastfeeding directly. In that case, you should be in constant contact with a lactation expert so that the lactation expert can teach you according to baby's requirement, according to baby's prematurity, direct breastfeeding or Pilates feeding or Katuri spoon feeding, and she can assist you constantly in this breastfeeding journey. So this is the very important red flag sign. If you are having the IGR baby or preterm baby, in that case you have to consult to a lactation expert. Another red flag sign is the baby showing signs of dehydration or the baby is dropping weight from the birth weight. So first, 10 days, baby might drop 5 to 7% weight, sometimes 10% also. But if the baby is losing more than 10% weight and even after 10 days he is not gaining weight, then you should immediately consult a pediatrician and lactation expert. So these are the red flag sign you should know if you are a new mom or if you are going to be a new mom, so that you can intervene immediately, you can intervene timely, and you don't have to suffer in the breastfeeding journey. One more red flag sign is the pain while breastfeeding, because that is the very important and very common issue mothers face. So if you are having pain while breastfeeding, you should immediately consult to a lactation expert, because the breastfeeding should be painless, not painful. Some tingling sensation might be there initial days, but it should not be painful. If it is painful, then most likely it is an issue in the latching. So you should immediately consult to a lactation expert. Another one more thing for that, you should consult to a lactation expert, which is the flat nipple or inverted nipple, because mostly mothers have difficulty in the feeding to their baby if they are having flat nipple or inverted nipple. So that is another thing, you should be in constant support with a lactation expert if you are having flat nipple or inverted nipple, so that you don't have top up with a formula, or you don't have to influence by others advice that you have flat nipple, you cannot breastfeed your baby, you have inverted nipple, you cannot breastfeed your baby. That is not true. Even you are having flat nipple or inverted nipple, you can breastfeed your baby with help of lactation experts. So these are the red flag signs in which you should immediately contact to a lactation expert, and identifying these issues is very important, so that a mother can intervene timely. And please, I would request, and I say all the parents, that treat any red flag sign of breastfeeding as an emergency. We treat fever as an emergency, we treat any stomach ache as an emergency. So treat breastfeeding issues as an emergency, because if you don't intervene timely, the things will get worse, and this might lead to another issue, then another issue, and then another issue, and eventually you won't able to feed your baby, and eventually you have to give formula that will further hamper the baby's immunity and baby's health. And don't hesitate to take help.